Hello guys, I have two sweaters that I want to choose from. The sweater number 15 and the Moby sweater. And I have two different sets of yarns that I want to use. So this one I want to use for the sweater number 15, which is Pure Silk by Knitting for Olive and Knitting for Olive Merino, which I thought was the perfect combination for a springy, summery sweater, especially sweater because I love to knit sweaters, okay? So listen. Year-round, I knit sweaters. That's just my love. And so I was like, oh my gosh, this combo plus the sweater number 15 plus my hair color, so good. And then my second sweater was the Moby sweater, which I want to use Pernilla and Tilia mohair. So this is 100% Peruvian Highland wool. This is 70% kid mohair, 30% silk together to make the Moby sweater. This one is definitely a wintry, late fall wintry sweater, especially with the Peruvian Highland wool and mohair, like hot fibers, right? So I put a question out there to the sphere of the internet on my Instagram and on my TikTok and also on my YouTube shorts. I do post YouTube shorts. You should keep up with that if you're not keeping up with my TikTok and my Instagram. I post the exact same short form content between YouTube shorts, Instagram, and TikTok. So if you are not on the other platforms and you're only on YouTube, you won't miss out, okay? But I put out some feelers. I was like, I am at a dilemma, okay? I want to knit this sweater, but I also want to knit this sweater. I love this color and I love the sweater number 15. I've been wanting to knit it for years. It's been on my list. And also the Moby sweater I've been wanting to knit for so long because I have not done something that complex before, and I think I can learn so much from it, learn some new techniques, learn some new stitches, I guess. And I'm just very excited to learn that, though that one looks a lot more difficult than the sweater number 15 because sweater number 15 is just the same cable over and over again. So I know that one would be easier. And low-key, I was hoping that this one would be chosen because, first of all, springy yarn, okay? Grassy green. I'm a redhead now, so green just goes with me so well, okay? Oh my God, I'm obsessed with shades of green forever and ever now because I'm gonna be a redhead until further notice. But also, I was just very excited for the sweater number 15. I kind of did not want to dive into super difficult to me techniques. Difficult to me meaning I have not tried the techniques before, so it looks difficult, it seems difficult, therefore it is difficult until I attempt it. But no luck, and you guys were not on my side, okay? You were not on my side. You guys chose the Moby sweater. Moby sweater. I was not expecting that at all because I was like, the Moby sweater is hot. Okay, it is a winter sweater. If winter sweaters had labels on them, it would literally say winter sweater, Moby sweater. Okay, I was not expecting that, but you guys said that is what we want. Okay, that is what we want. You will see a short of me talking about the exact same thing, but I thought I should make a video because I have not talked about these in my previous videos, and I do want to start coming out with some update videos, basically, of me just talking about what I'm gonna do next, what I've done, not podcasty, just like shorter videos. So I was not expecting that. So I'm very surprised, and now I have to learn some new stuff. Okay, I already printed out all of my charts and everything for the Moby sweater, so I'm ready and prepared on that front. But I am just longingly looking at sweater number 15 because I will not be able to do this for a while. Should I say for a while? I don't know. Because, okay, here's my plan. I'm gonna do the Moby sweater, right? I have two different presents that I wanna knit for birthday gifts. And one of them is a Moby sweater man. I don't believe in a sweater curse. It will never touch me. So, Moby sweater man. But I wanted to do Moby sweater for myself first so that I was prepared for the Moby sweater man, okay? After that, I want to do the Taylor Swift inspired folklore cardigan as a gift. And I am going out of the country in June. So, and I have to have it done by then. It is currently April. So I need to finish my Moby sweater. Then I need to do the Moby sweater man. And then I need to do the folklore cardigan. Now, I think I may do the folklore cardigan first. It's a very, very detailed cabled cardigan. It's knit flat. Cool. So I think I will go from my Moby sweater to the folklore cardigan to the Moby sweater man. And then by that time, I will be able to do one more project before I leave the country, or maybe during the time I'm knitting, during the time that I'm leaving the country, that's the project I'll be working on, sweater number 15. So I'm thinking this will be my late May, early June project. And then 2 Moby sweaters and a folklore cardigan beforehand. So I kind of need to kick it into gear. I am very excited for this though, because I have wanted to do the Moby sweater for so long. It feels like so long. It's probably been a couple of years or a year or so. This has been in my stash for 3 years now. I got this in 2022. Almost 3 years now. I got the mohair in Norway, and then I got the Pernilla in Sweden. And then I got this from my twin sister, Handmade with K, or K Sealer, wherever you follow her. And she used this for a test knit, which was so cool. She used it for a dress, and she had a ton of yarn left over. And so I was like, oh my gosh, thank you. She gave it to me, and I was like, sweater number 15, immediately. Imagine a juicy apple green, this is not apple green. Imagine a juicy grassy green colored sweater number 15. You can wear it with anything. You could dress it up, you could dress it down. It's just beautiful. But also this yellow, I feel like, okay, all colors look good on me. Okay, I'm tooting my own horn. Yes, I am. All colors look good on my skin color. So that was never a dilemma when it came to choosing which one I wanted to do. Some people try to tell me, just choose whichever one that you want to do most. I don't have one that I want to do more. Okay, I want to do both at the same time. I'm not doing that at the same time. I am now a monogamous knitter. Okay, I cannot and will not. Hold on, let me take a thumbnail picture. I cannot and will not have multiple whips at the same time for the foreseeable future, okay? I have stuck to that for a while now, almost a year now, and I'm very happy with that, because when I have too many whips, I get so overwhelmed, okay? I just, no thank you, no thank you. I cannot, will not, do not want to. Especially since, like, imagine going from this and then, well, most people are not monogamous knitters, so actually you can imagine going from project to project, but I'm not trying to go from this project and then like have to leave off on a certain section. I'm just like, where am I? Did I stop here? Did I stop there? Obviously I can mark where I am, but I feel like my momentum slows down when I do too many projects at the same time, and I just don't want that to happen. So anyway, all of that rambling to say, I will be doing the Moby sweater. I want to knit and finish the Moby sweater in about 2 weeks. I'll be giving updates on this probably every other day, every day. Depends on my progress. It'll be in like one video. So I'll probably do like the back and a little bit of the front, make that a video, and then who knows? I don't know. I'm just gonna make a video and post. We'll just see how things go. Anyway, that's my plan for the next 2 weeks. I want to finish it in the next 2 weeks if I want to stick to my schedule to have these as birthday presents for June. And that is it for what I am rambling about, because now I want to go and start this project. I'm very excited for it, and I can't wait to see how the stitches turn out, because I just know it's going to be crispy and yummy. Anyway, that's it. Okay, goodbye.